Crowded airports, sports stadiums, parks, and other outdoor public places host enormous amounts of foot traffic, as well as vehicle traffic. In these places, criminals can use a vehicle chassis for hiding or smuggling illegal items. Anything from contraband to weapons could be stowed underneath an automobile, truck, or delivery vehicle. To meet the demands of security customers in a multitude of scenarios, Hikvision has developed two under-vehicle surveillance systems, a portable model for temporary use and a fixed installation model for permanent surveillance. The fixed UVSS consists of speed matching, LED lighting, and linear imaging modules. An induction loop or photoelectric sensor serves as a trigger signal. Equipped with a plate-reading camera, takes HD photos of the lower part of vehicles, integrates vehicle and vehicle information. The system automatically activates when a vehicle approaches, transmitting real-time images of a vehicle's base to a back-end program, enables security checks of the underside of passing vehicles. The portable UVSS uses an all-in-one portable design, no construction required. Unit is plug-in-and-play and adaptable. This system can be easily set up at any location to quickly establish security at venues for small to large events. Hikvision under-vehicle surveillance system provides quick, complete, and reviewable detection. The speed matching module adjusts the device's parameters according to vehicle speed, ensuring high-quality images. This system can capture complete zero blind spot images of the chassis of passing vehicles. Professional customer software can collect, display, and store information about license plates, chassis, and vehicle models. Data can be searched by license plate numbers or event date and time. Zoom in on image details or flag abnormalities. Hikvision has released fixed and portable under-vehicle surveillance systems that adapt to specific needs in a multitude of situations. This system is ideal for security checks of vehicles that enter or leave critical locations, such as government agencies, military bases, airports, customs border inspection, and many more.